Hi, my name is Yuan Jiang. Today I will finish my homework for Domestic 1. Then I will solve these 6 questions on my share screen. Thanks. Hi, for the first questions, we calculate the mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviations from this data 2, 4, 6, and the mean we calculate it for 2 plus 4 plus 6 divide 3, and the answer is 4, and the sample variance is this one. Oh my god. Is this one, and then the answer is 4. Then we calculate the sample standard deviations. The answer is 2. I think maybe it is we can calculate it according the formula. It is easy because we can calculate this data for formula. On the question 2. Take the data set from question 1 and subtract its mean from each data values to get a new data set. And this data is new data. Then this 3 step is it's the same one with question 1. It's the same with question 1. Just change the data. It's all according to the formula. In question 3. Did the mean in question 2 differ from the mean in question 1? What about the sample variance and sample standard deviations in question 2? And with question 1. For the question 3, I think the mean in question 2 is minus 10, which differs from the mean in question 1 because they changed the data. And the simple variance and simple standard deviations in question 2 are the same as the question are the same. And I think you can see in the paper it's the same. So for question 4, take the data set from question 2. From question 2, we have the data set minus 12, minus 10, minus 8 with a standard deviations of 2. New data size is this one. Then it's equal to this one. Then we calculate mean, sample variance, and deviations for this data, this new data. And this is a formula. These 3 questions use the same formula to calculate. calculate. For the question 5, did the mean in question 3 differ from the mean in question 2? What about the sample variance and sample standard deviations in question 3? Views question 2. Okay. From question 3, the mean of the data size -12, -10, -8 is, which is -10. Now the mean of the new data size is this one, and the mean is -5. So the mean in question, in question 4 is -5, differ from the question in 2 because they use the different data. The sample variance in question 4 is 1, which is different from the sample variance in question 2. The sample standard deviations in question 4 is 1. It is different from the sample standard deviations in question 2. Because it's changing the spread of the data points relative to each others. So this result is in a new variance of 1 and standard deviations of 1, as the data has been normalized. So for the question 6, this question is asked us, which part of a formula do you do that change the mean, and which part of the formula do you do that change the standard deviations? Does subtracting by the mean change the mean or the standard deviation? Does dividing by the standard deviations change the mean or standard? Oh my god. Okay, we can put it for the first one is subtracting the mean. Which is x plus minus this one. Effects for mean. Subtracting the mean center the data around 0. This change the mean of the data set to 0. And it shifted the entire distribution so that its center is now 0. And what is the effects on standard deviation? I think is subtracting the mean does not affect the spread or disparitions of the data points. No effect, didn't affect. And to the smaller questions, E6 is dividing by the standard deviation, and it is divide this one. Standard deviation. What is the effect on mean? I think is dividing by the standard deviations does not change the mean. The mean remains 0 after centurion. And what is the effects on standard deviation? I think it's dividing each data points by the standard deviations normalize the spread of the data. This transforms the standard deviations to 1. Meaning it means that the data now follows a standard normal distribution with standard deviations of 1. I think it's totally for this demonstration. And thank you for your listening. Goodbye.